Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I see a lot of people laughing at iKaizer Chiefs because bashawa yini, bashawa istelisi izolo. But bayakhohlwa uthathe kune game izolo. Yabo ade kune game izolo lapho khona kudlala khona iMamelodi Sundowns versus iGomora United. Ade kudlala khona iMamelodi Sundowns versus iGomora United. Bafethu I watched this game. Ifirst half yale game ngiyibukile because igame yeKaizer Chiefs ibe delayed. Uma usubheka iGomora United akusiyona i-team enganikeza i-team enjengamaMamelodi Sundowns inkinga. I-team enjengamaMamelodi Sundowns eyafika kwi-Champions League last year, yafika kwi-final ye-Champions League last year. Uma usubheke iGomora United idlala le ko-local. Not throwing any shade from iGomora United. Izolo badlale kahle kakhulu izolo. Yabo ubungayitshela nje ukuthi akusiyona iGomora United. Bungayitshela mhlawumbe badlala against yabo amathi manje ngoGolden Arrows. Yabo because bayinikezile iMamelodi Sundowns inkinga. Yes, iMamelodi Sundowns ibinawo ama chances amaningi. iMamelodi Sundowns ibiphosa i-threat clear game. But to win go 2-1 against i-team enjengeGomora United as ifenye iMamelodi Sundowns uhleli lapha ekhaya kumele ngempela uyibuze imibuzo ukuthi going forward ingabe uzokwazi ukuthi usurvive. Mase kulimali ama star players wakho uzokwazi ukuthi usurvive going forward because izolo phela most of the star players awadlalanga izolo. Yes, baboshalelwe bayitholile game time izolo, babonile nabo Jaden Adams bengena bedlala izolo. Athi ke the first team players masangayitholi game time masalimali kungenzakalani. Don't you think iMamelodi Sundowns izostrugglisha kakhulu? And namanje bafethu yabo I've said this before and I will say this again. iMamelodi Sundowns imimgcina lo coach lo igwaza ngowayo umkhonto. Imimgcina lo coach lo I remember very well ngosikhathi bexosha bani uManqoba Mnqithi. Babedlala nani? Babedlala neMagesi FC. iMagesi FC yabashaya kwi-final because they failed to beat iMagesi FC kwi-final ye-Carling knockout. Yabo, they decided to let go of uManqoba Mnqithi. They brought in uMiguel Cardoso owesathana kudedelwa i-experience. Yabo. Wesathana nje kudedelwa i-experience bamlanda uMiguel Cardoso. Yabo. Yes, esafika ucoach wathembisa ngempela. Wakwazi ukuthi ayiwini league with iMamelodi Sundowns, but ke ezinye icoco akwazanga ukuthi ayiwine because wakhishwe iKaizer Chiefs kuma semi-finals eNedbank Cup. Yabo, agcina esewina ileague kuphela, wafika futhi na kwi-final ye-Champions League. Yabo, but nje kumanye ama competitions wahluleka ukwawina. Yabo, kule season so far isaqalile season abayiwina ngeCarling knockout baphuma on the first round against iMarumo Gallants. Imagine baphuma first round against iMarumo Gallants kwi-MTN Need. Bashawa yini? Bashawa iOrlando Pirates. Bashawa iOrlando Pirates kwi-MTN Need. Baphuma 2 cups already gone. Yesterday they were playing against iGomora United. Yabo, they were playing against iGomora United. One would say iMamelodi Sundowns la izodlula ngo-5-0, izodlula ngo-4-0. Kwenzakalani? Bazowina ngo-2-1. Yabo, ungangitshela ukuthi bekudlala abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Mfethu singabi naleyo nto. Yabo, singayenzi nje leyo nto. Ay, musana ukuvika ngaleyo nto. Ningaviki ngaleyo nto ukuthi bekudlala abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Bakhona okhoza ade bekhona izolo bedlala okhoza. Ukhoza wenzeni? First goal iGomora United. It was a mistake coming from Ukhoza. Yabo. I remember there was an instance lapho khona Ukhoza esefuna ukukhahlelela khona ugoalkeeper wakhe. Angazi bese kwenze njani kule. Angazi ngempela bekwenze njani lapha esekhahlela. Ukhoza is a good player, don't get me wrong, but ke under leadership yabani yaMiguel Cardoso ziningi izinto ezingenzeki kahle lapha. Yabo, ziningi izinto ezimele ishintshwe, kumele kushawe i-rebuild. Yabo, I'm not talking about iMamelodi Sundowns because yabo I'm not a fan of yona. I'm not talking bad about them. Yabo, this used to be a good team. iMamelodi Sundowns, they used to be a threatening team. Right now, abasasabisi right now. Yabo, abasasabisi. Each and every team esiyodlala neMamelodi Sundowns bayazi ukuthi okay, iSundowns kumele siyithinte ngakuphi nakuphi izovuma. Mase ayithinta la izovuma. Isisu seSundowns currently abanasi sisiqinile. Yabo, isisabo siwiki kakhulu. Odebo Khomokweni abadlala mebethanda ukudlala. Yabo, angifuni nje ukukhuluma nobathi uSiobhas izolo uhambile wayogunda ubuyile at the same performance. Yabo, the same performance bafethu. Imagine ubathi uSiobhas, AFCON player, but uSiobhas was playing against iGomora United yesterday. You guys don't understand. With iMamelodi Sundowns, they are in a crisis right now. They need our prayers. Right now. Babambelele kwimatch yokugcina. kwi-Champions League. Njengoba uyodlala nje imatch ye-Champions League, babambelele kwi-match yokugcina ngci. Uma beshawa kuleya match leya, ba out. ngibayidlale ama knockouts ngibawadlala ama knockout stages yabo kubi but basane nerve yokumgcina lo coach lo mina ngeke mina bafethu yabona mina ngeke mina bafethu I understand some of the Sundowns players, some of the Sundowns fans yabo. In recent weeks I saw some of the fans are going to the technical director eMamelodi Sundowns okubani okuFlemingburg bemthela ngamanzi yabo bemthela. I don't condone that thing, angiyicondone leyo nto, kodwa you cannot see, you cannot just watch umkhumbi uwa ubukela umkhumbi uwa. This is not the direction emele ngabahamba ngayo, but bona bashona ngala yabo. Mele ngibayele bona baya ngala and bawubuka umkhumbi ushona ngala, and no one is trying to fix that situation yabo. No one is trying to fix that situation. It seems as if yonke into right, but all in all ayikho into right, ayikho into right ekhona lapha. They must fix izinto before it's too late. They must fix izinto before it's too late. Nobody wants to see a weak Mamelodi Sundowns. A weak Mamelodi Sundowns is equal to a weak Bafana Bafana. A weak Orlando Pirates is equal to a weak Bafana Bafana. A weak Kaizer Chiefs is equal to a weak Kaizer Chiefs.